Welcome to lab number 4 in honors chemistry. This is the determination of the density of liquids. Very much like the last lab you did, you'll be working to discover the density of 5 known sodium chloride NaCl solutions. So I will have those out on the lab bench for you. 0, 4, 8, 12, and 16% solutions. You're going to measure mass and volume of each of those 4 solutions, and then using those known values you're going to create a density curve, and from there determine the density and the concentration of an unknown salt solution. So very much like the first lab, you'll notice that the purpose is very similar. All we're doing now is liquids instead of solids. Like lab 2, you're going to be using a 50 milliliter beaker for your weighing dish. This time, like lab 2, you're going to be carrying a liquid over to the balances. Be very careful with that so as not to spill any of the liquid onto the analytic balance. If you do spill, just let me know right away so I can clean it up. The bottles with the different salt solutions will be scattered throughout the lab. They will be placed on the lab bench. You will see on the side of the bottle, you will see all the pertinent information. So you're going to see that it's a salt solution. You will see that it is measured by a certain concentration. You and your lab partner will be moving throughout the lab from station to station until you have tested all 5 solutions of known concentration. Okay, now the thing is, you have to also find an unknown salt solution. They will be placed on the tables as well, so you will in effect be measuring 5 different solutions. Make sure that you make note of what unknown you use. It should be labeled on the bottle. And once you've completed your data table, you will then be recording your information, your data, and we will merge it with the class. Don't forget that in between trials, as you go from solution to solution, when it says to repeat the procedure, that means starting with a clean and dry weighing dish. You must start over by washing out your weighing dish and drying it before you start the next trial. It's always a good idea to start with clean glassware. So, report your data when you're done. We'll collect it as a class, and then we'll show you one new statistic, something you've done before, but you're going to plot a graph, and we're going to use Excel to do it, and that will be a powerful tool to help us figure out what your unknown salt solution has for not only a density, but ultimately its concentration. And there you have it, Lab 4. See you in lab.